In this episode, I begin the day with a chilly -10 degrees Celsius. I cycle past the Port of Rotterdam, catch a ferry, ride through the city of Delft, stumble upon these once significant windmills, and face a relentless, freezing headwind all day. I set off and continue my bikepacking journey through the Dutch countryside, where the wind chill is a biting -10 degrees Celsius this morning.
Close to the Port of Rotterdam here.
The Port of Rotterdam is Europe's largest seaport, serving as a major hub for international trade and logistics. It handles a wide range of goods, including fuel, chemicals and consumer products, and is key to the global shipping industry.
That is the ferry. I think they go every 20 minutes, so I have to wait a little while, but that's alright. Look how beautiful. This is the river, the Maas, that we're going to be crossing. You see cactus you have to watch out for. Here comes the ferry.
Hij doet nog wel, toch?
was 1 euro and 5 cents. The price for the bicycle. Very cheap. You can stand inside out of the wind. I'll have to go outside because there's not much to see here. That's a bit better. So we are going towards Delft now. So I'll put my gloves back on and let's get going and warm up. It's about 15 kilometers to Delft. And Delft is where they have all the beautiful stoneware, the blue and white stoneware. That's what it's famous for. Just another random windmill. Time to go. Love cycling through all these cute towns. There's always something new to see. headwind. I'm getting a good workout today. I had to put my hoodie on. This wind is so cold. We're going left here. We are now in the city of Delft with another windmill in the distance here. Let's go and have a look in the city center. We are here right in the city center of Delft. And look how impressive that is. Let's go and have a look at the Delftsblauw stoneware. Look at all these cheeses. Oh, look how cute. It's very pretty, right? Look at these ducks. They look like they're ice skating.
About a quarter of the Netherlands is reclaimed land, thanks to the country's remarkable skills in water management. These areas, known as polders, have transformed what was once underwater into bustling cities, farmland and key infrastructure. This is the Molenviergang Zevenhuizen. It is a group of 4 windmills built in 1722. These windmills were used to drain the Tweemanspolder, turning it into usable land. They show off traditional Dutch engineering and remain an important part of the country's history.
Can't get more Dutch than this. Windlust. They even have a little windmill in their garden. So cool. It is now the afternoon. It's already past 5 o'clock. The wind really picked up in the last couple of hours, and I've had a severe headwind. It's taking me much longer to get to my next stay. I bypassed Gouda in the end. I'll have to get back there one day and show you around. But I am knackered. I am going to end this video and get to my accommodation and have some nice warm tea. So if you enjoyed coming on this ride with me today, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more adventures, and I will see you in the next video.